Dear students, welcome to today's English class. Today we shall learn new chapter and the name of the chapter is Snakes on the Loose. Dear students, have you ever encountered with a snake? What was your experience? Dear students, snakes are found throughout the world except Antarctica, Iceland, Ireland, Greenland and New Zealand. The story in this chapter we are going to learn is about the report on the snakes, how an incident is reported differently. Let's read the complete story once and then I shall brief it completely to get the overall essence of the story. So let's begin. Chapter 11 Snakes on the Loose. Have you ever wondered whether an important world event took place on the very day you were born? You may find that on your birthday another famous person was born. Not in the same year, but on the same date, in the same month. You may find that it was the first time somebody performed some spectacular feat, a new invention or discovery was made, or perhaps a tragedy such as an accident occurred, which killed many people. If we take any date at random, we can look back through all newspapers or make a search on the internet and find that many notable events took place on that particular day. Let's take a date 16 September, for example, and find out what happened around the world on that day in history. Here are some events that have taken place on 16 September. 1810, the Mexican War of Independence begins. 1916, M.S. Subbulakshmi, the great Indian singer, is born. 1920, a bomb on Wall Street kills 38 people. 1932, Mahatma Gandhi begins a hunger strike. 1948, Saturn's moon, Hyperon, is discovered. 1951, a stunned plane crashes in the USA, killing 19 people. 1963, the Beatles song She Loves You is released in the USA. 1964, the James Bond film Goldfinger is released. 1975, Papua New Guinea gains its independence from Australia. 1977, opera singer Maria Callas dies aged 53. 1978, Leon Spinks loses the WBA heavyweight title to Muhammad Ali, world champion for the third time. 1978, an earthquake kills 26,000 people in Iran. 1986, a major fire in a gold mine in South Africa kills 175 miners. 2004, after causing havoc in Jamaica, Grenada and Cuba, Hurricane Ivan lashes the Gulf Coast of the USA, killing 45. 2007, a plane crash in Thailand causes 90 deaths. 2009, US rapper Jay-Z becomes the solo artist with the most number one records, overtaking Elvis Presley. So, what happened on 16 September 2010? Nothing much. But then a story started appearing on the internet news sites and it was about snakes. Not just any snakes, but cobras, the deadliest of them all. It could be that the actual event occurred a day or so before the 16th, but the press all over the world became interested, and after the first report appeared, the other sites picked up the story. This is how some internet news sites reported what happened. Report 1: 160 deadliest cobra escape in China. Deadly cobras ended up in people's toilets, kitchens and roads in southwestern China after more than 160 of them escaped from an illegal breeding laboratory in early September. Government officials said no one has been injured and the breeder and a team of snake professionals have since rounded up all but 5 or 6 of the snakes in the village of Shijiao said a county official identified only as Mr. Yang. The snakes didn't do much harm or cost the government much money, and they cost a lot to raise. So the government is giving the breeder a break. No fine, no arrest. Just transfer the cobras to a legal breeding laboratory in the Gongix in southern China, the government told Kai Yong. Now let's read report 2. 160 cobras escaped from illegal lab in China. Escaped cobras from illegal breeding laboratory have been terrorizing residents of the southwestern Chinese town. Around 160 of the highly venomous snakes have been accidentally released in the Suzhou township in the Chongqing municipality, according to the AFP. The other day, Shang Erfan had just gone into the toilet when we heard a loud scream and she came running out after seeing a cobra inside. AFP reported, quoting Information Times, a Chinese newspaper, the cobras have been found in outdoor toilets, in people's kitchens, and on the streets. A man named Kai Yong admitted to regime officials that he had been breeding around 1900 cobras in an abandoned schoolhouse. Most of the 160 cobras have been killed or captured, but 5 or 6 are still on the loose. CNN reports that no one was injured in the scare and the breeder will not be arrested, penalized, or fined for the mishaps. Now let's read report 3. 160 deadly cobras escaped in China. More than 160 cobras escaped from an illegal breeding laboratory in early of September. Government officials said some of the deadly cobras ended up in people's toilets, kitchen, and roads in the southwestern China. According to the county official named Mr. Yang, no one had been injured, and the breeder and a team of snake professionals have since rounded up all but 5 or 6 of the snakes in the village of Shizhou. Since the snakes didn't do much harm or cost the government much money, and they cost a lot to raise, the government has decided to give the breeders a break. They have no fine and will not be arrested. They were just ordered to transfer them to legal breeding laboratory in Gangwei in southern China. However, frightened villagers might not be as forgiving as the government. Some of the suggest that government officials had to convey them in order to teach them how to avoid being bitten and how to treat a wound if bitten. Stay calm because boosting your heart rate will spread the venom more rapidly. Apply a tourniquet, get a shot of antivenom as soon as possible. Report 4. 160 escaped cobras incite terror in China. Like something out of a bad horror movie, 160 cobras have escaped from an illegal breeding factory in Shizhou Township in the municipality of Chongqing in southwest China, terrorizing residents who have spotted them in outdoor toilets, on the streets, and in the kitchens. Since they escaped earlier this month, most of them have either been caught or killed, but there remains about half a dozen snakes that are unaccounted for. Shang Irfan, a villager who used to outdoor toilet, left the facility screaming as she came face to face with a king cobra. Another villager, Kai Yong, admitted to the illegal breeding of some 1900 cobras in an abandoned schoolhouse, but no charges were filed against him. While the rising demand for cobra meat and traditional medicines made from the venom has decimated the snake's population. In China, illegal breeding of these deadly serpents is a lucrative source of income, tempting many to carry on illicit operations. Large doses of antivenom have been sent to the township but that does little allay the fear of the villagers, which is not likely to abate until very last cobra is either captured or killed. And there is a lovely thought: what if some of these snakes were pregnant? Sleep well, dear reader. What do you think about this? So, now you have read a few accounts of the same story, but are they different in some ways? You will be able to compare the reports when you tackle the questions later on. On some days, nothing much happens, but news agencies will try to make a story out of a minor incident. Very recently, a Cambridge scientist programmed a computer with 300 million facts about people, places, business, and events to try and discover which day since 1900 was the most boring. In other words, the computer world find out on which day in history nothing of significance took place. It came up with the answer 12th April 1954. No notable people were born on that day, no major catastrophe occurred, no dignitaries died. The irony is this: since nothing happened on that day, has it become significant as a result? So this is a story is written by Nicholas Horsburgh. Now let's learn words meaning. Abate, to reduce in amount or degree or lessen. Allay, to relieve, calm or pacify. Breeding, the process of reproduction. Decimated, killed or destroyed to large extent. Feat, a notable act or deed, an act of skill. Havoc, widespread destruction. Illicit, unlawful, illegal. Irony, the incongruity, that is lack of agreement between what might be expected and what actually occurs. Lashes, strikes with force. Lucrative, producing a profit. Rapper, one who performs rap, a form of music with spoken rhymes. Regime, a form of government. Significance, importance. Stunt, a feat involving skill and daring. Tourniquet, a tight bandage to temporarily stop the flow of blood. Tragedy, an event resulting in great loss or misfortune. Wall Street, a street in New York where the stock exchange and major banks are located. Dear students, after having read the whole story, let me give you the summary of the story. So we have seen in the first opening paragraph, have you ever wondered whether on an important world event took place on the very day of your birth? If you have seen, you may find that on your birthday another famous person was born, or something spectacular might have happened, or some new inventions might have taken place. There was maybe great discovery, or there was something great tragedy occurred on your birthday. So similarly, if you take at random any date and you begin to search through newspapers or search in the internet, you may find that so many great things or so many tragedy might have taken place. So in the story we are given a particular date, that is 16 September, and we have seen the series of events took place on that particular date, such as in 1810 the Mexican War of Independence begins. In 1916, M.S. Subbulakshmi, the great Indian singer, was born. In 1920, a bomb on Wall Street kills 38 people, and list goes on and on. So, on the whole, when we see whichever date at random we take, something or the other, important things might have happened, or some important personalities, famous personalities might have born. So, there is no date without any significance. Therefore, we are given to analyze and read an incident which is reported differently. Particularly, we are given 4 reports, and these reports vary in their pattern and taste, but on the whole, the essence of the report is the same, and the common thing among them we find are 60 cobras escaped from illegal breeding farm in Shenzhou, southwest China. They terrorize village people by lining up in people's toilets, kitchens, and roads. Most snakes were picked up, only 5 or 6 were on the loose. Kai Young was responsible for breeding them and he was not arrested. So, these are the common elements that we find in all of these 4 reports. But some days we don't get any significant incident or event, but news agency will try to make a story out of the minor incident. And in the story we are given that very recently a Cambridge scientist programmed a computer with 300 million facts about people, places, business and events to try and discover which day since 1900 was the most boring. And in other words, the computer world find out on which day in history nothing of significance took place. And finally, we have seen that on 12th April 1954, no notable people were born on that day, no major catastrophe occurred, and no dignitaries died. But irony is this, since nothing important happened, nothing significant happened on that day, has it become significant as a result? So this we have to think. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you.